Okay, so as I said before, I am in the process of making some major changes with my equipment. With my equipment. Number one, I'm changing out my beloved iPad Pro. Had this guy for a while, had it since 2018. It's one of the best purchases and the worst purchases I ever made. Because if I had done the research, I would have realized that if I had waited 8 more months, I would have had a newer machine and I wouldn't have to invest in what I just did. This is absolutely the most expensive mobile device I've ever purchased in my entire freaking life. Hello, my name is Carlton. This is my channel that I either put a whole bunch of junk on or I only put tech stuff on, but this is mainly for you guys and gals who wanted to see what I was doing. And oh, they got a thing here. They got a little, I don't have to rip open the box. This is what it is. This is an iPad Pro. Not just an iPad Pro. This is the iPad Pro with, oh, look at that. It just kind of comes in a little contraption with, throw it overboard now, the M1 chip. Is it upside down? I think this upside down. Is it upside down? It's upside down. There you go. Finally, I have this guy here. It is remarkably smaller than the last. Wow. Are you sure this is a 12.9 inch? It is. Okay. You have to excuse my appearance. Yeah, it's a 12.9 inch 5th generation. 1 terabyte. So I have 16 gigabytes of storage. No, 16 gigabytes of RAM in here. 1 terabyte of storage. I really needed this. Oh, I really needed this here. So you have to excuse my appearance. I've been outside doing yard work. So I'm wearing a dirty shirt right now. This is that shirt that I designed a million years ago when I was a creative person. So I didn't just get this here. I also got the pencil. This was another unboxing on a sunnier day. And if you flip this guy open and you open it up, oh, I just dropped it. You'll see here I have the pencil. On it, it says C.F. Gamble. You know what that means. The end. So I gotta get this open here. I still do not have to use my carumbit. I actually am, the only disappointment I have right now is I can't use my carumbit. You want me to pull here? There's a lever right there. Oh, it just peels the plastic. I like this. I would never buy another one of these here in this decade. Never again. Never again will I buy another one of these here. This is the 3rd one, and it was not 100% intentional, but I needed it after looking at the specs and seeing that this really was next generation. I'm hopping a generation. They literally just made this a few days ago. Does it smell like China on the inside? Does it smell like the factory? How do you get this open? Okay, hang on. Oh, this is that suction thing. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Yeah, so we're outside instead of being inside. So you're gonna hear the birds. You're gonna hear the bugs. You're gonna hear the cars racing up and down the road because everybody believes it's 55 miles per hour here. It's not. Today feels like a nice, perfect day. And just to let you know, although I really wanted gold, I could not get gold again. So I got space gray. It's the best that I can do because they don't make what I really want. So I'm gonna lift this here. You can see this is the, oh, there's an ant in there. Freaking ants, come on, man. Go. Ah! Get out of my box. Jesus, it's so thin, it's dense. It's so thin, it's so dense. So we have more flaps on here. I peel this back here. And you can't see this, but I can see it. It literally says my whole name, and then it has my creation station. This thing is really dense. It feels so dense. So this is it. Michael Jackson style, this is it. So I'm gonna hit the button on the top. I think it's gonna do nothing. I think I have to hit 2 buttons to make it turn on. I got space gray. Fingerprints all over the place now because of me, because I'm touching it. I think this is just the unboxing. I've got a lot of adjustments I gotta do to it. I've gotta put my data on here. Then I gotta ship mine out. But this is a size comparison between the two. That's a size comparison. This new machine it's shorter because it doesn't have a bezel. So the exact same thing happened to me last time. I had to plug it in to get it to kickstart. It works. I know it does. You'll see it later on. Oh my God, it's so dense. But wait. There's more. Look, if I'm gonna ride with this machine for a long time, the way I wanna ride with this machine, it's gotta work for me, and I need to carry it so it doesn't get scratched, dinged, and all the other stuff. So, as usual, I went out and got something that is a matte finish from iCares or whatever. I've had these guys before. They're actually on my iPad right now, and it feels almost like paper, close enough to me, and it doesn't cause a lot of wear and tear on the pencil. So, along with the pencil, I did get one more thing here. I emailed the guys in Colombia, and I said, hey, I'm thinking of replacing my iPad. Can you guys make me another case? And they were like, yeah, absolutely. And I was like, but I would love for you to make one little small modification if you could. If you could you make the case blue? Now, the lighting just went bad. There's a lot of clouds over us and everything else. You can't see how blue this is. And the reason I wanted it blue because I wanted something that was similar to my Mustang. I'm bringing this a little bit closer here so you can see it. I'm putting the red behind it. This guy is actually blue. It is designed to fit my new machine. Does it fit? Oh my God, it fits perfectly. It now has a brand new home. This is how we will be rolling with this machine here. This is the Draftman 2, I believe. I absolutely love this here because it has a place to put your, that Apple Pencil costs $130. Because it costs $130, you don't want to lose this thing too often. You always want to find it. So that's one of the reasons why I really wanted this in blue. Because I like the color blue. Reminds me of the Mustang. And I really wanted this little pencil sleeve here because the pencil sleeve really helps me keep track of something that I can lose often. So that is the unboxing of the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2021. And if you look over here, dropped it. That's what happens when you're outside. This is the speed charger that comes with it. I'm trying to get a better light. There we go. This is the speed charger that comes with it. This is the USB 4 / Bluetooth? No. Thunderbolt cable. I'm assuming this is Thunderbolt. I'm not 100% sure, but that's a Thunderbolt port that's in there. Oh, and airplanes. You gotta get airplanes too. I really do not care because now I have the thing I've been waiting for all day. And watching it go through customs and all the other stuff like 3 freaking times, it's not a good feeling. I hate to say this here, but in the past when I've ordered stuff from Apple, the technology wasn't there to track it at every little stage. It was basically jumped from one place to another. Now the newer system from UPS allows you to visually see the information more. And I think it gave me more information than I've ever had before. Because I could even see when the agencies are touching it, or at least the big crate that it comes in with all the other guys inside of it. And it makes you nervous because you think that it's your product that's being examined or released and all the other things. I think it was better before, And maybe UPS should think about having a consumer and an advanced consumer button so you can see a little bit less. Because I knew that my machine got stuck in Alaska. It was late for a flight. I think it took the second flight out, and it still got to New York just in time, so I can still get it today. It pushed back my window from 1 o'clock to 3:35. A little scary, seeing all of that. And as a worker who used to work there a long time ago, I wasn't able to see all those stops. So that's 10 minutes. That's me talking about the iPad Pro. This is just the unboxing. I'm gonna do probably another video later on and yap about some more abstract stuff. But for now, I need to work on getting rid of my old one. It's gonna go back to Apple. They're gonna give me $355 in credit for it, and I can use that to basically get new accessories. That's what I'm basically gonna use this for, is to get another adapter, a few more cables, because I gotta have one upstairs, downstairs, at the office, and possibly a shorty for my backpack in case I'm traveling. Whew. That is the end of this video.